Hi guys, this is a short review of a product that I came across recently. It is called Fusion. I chose to promote this product because this is basically the method that I used to make money online, and I've been using it successfully for quite a while. That's how I basically support my artistic hobbies and maintain my lifestyle. Those of you who know me personally, you guys, you know that I love to travel. So I'm really happy that that I found this fusion. It was developed by Jason Fulton. Okay, here he is. Jason is a very successful entrepreneur, and he definitely explained the method much better than I could ever do. Okay, so let's get to it. This method is newbie friendly. It showcases an actual total newbie, and his name is Jeff. You will see how he made money with this method in 24 hours. The training is a video training, very easy to understand, and what I want to emphasize is the bonuses, which are absolutely amazing. This one, the free traffic hack, oh my god. I was so surprised to see it because I never thought about this, and they say it's a $497 value. I totally believe it's more than that. It requires only a few minutes of work, and then you get access to hundreds and hundreds and leads. And actually you can use these traffic sources for any other business you might have. So it's really a very valuable information. And of course the Facebook community, which everybody love that. I love the coaching groups. You can ask questions and you always get support. This is amazing. So it's only $13.50. The prices here in Warrior Plus forums, they go up, so it's really worth it. And they offer, of course, 30 days money back guarantee, which is very good. So I strongly recommend to get this product, and I will see you inside. Okay, so have a nice day.